Hey, this is Reuben. Last week I uploaded a stock footage pack to my website of carpet cleaning stock footage. I just wanted to spend a few minutes telling you why I did that and also how it can help you at your carpet cleaning company to grow your business and earn new clientele and stand out against your current competition. Now, there are 3 ways you can create video content as a carpet cleaning company for your marketing. Number 1 is you could make video content by filming yourself or a colleague on the job. Now typically that's done holding a cell phone, often at the sort of handle area of the wand as you're cleaning and going around. And that works, but we see that a lot and it kind of loses impact a little bit and you don't get the best sort of front facing image that you want, which is highly professional, very clean, very sleek. It can look amateurish at times. So that's option 1, obviously the most inexpensive option of the 3. Secondly, you pay a media company or a videographer to come in and film you while you're cleaning or some of your services or a sizzle or about piece about your company. That's all well and good and I think that has its time and place, but for your regular social media content, you can do that, but it would be very expensive. I mean, at that point, you're pretty much hiring a marketer on your team and that will increase that bill up pretty high. And yes, you'll probably see income and work from that. So if that's the stage you're at with your business, go for it. But for most carpet cleaning companies, the budget isn't there for something like that. Your third option is you can use stock footage of those professional videographers or media companies, whoever it might be that generated that content. So you have that same quality of content put in front of your customers for far less. Now it's great and many industries do this, as you well know. What's the problem in the carpet cleaning industry? Well, there's just no good stock footage out there. No one is doing this kind of footage for you to be able to use to grow your business and get much higher grade marketing material. So let me show you what you can do. I'm gonna jump on the laptop and let's do this together. Now, here I am at one of the most reputable and largest library for stock footage and images on the internet. I've clicked over to footage and I'm typing something very generic like carpet cleaning. And you can see here, this is what we get. Only 2,000 results about, which is really not many. So let's compare that against something else kind of in our, what we sort of do, say vacuuming, something like that. How many footage pieces are there? It's over 14,000. You see that discrepancy? That's crazy. So if we do carpet cleaning, which is more in line with the sort of footage that we want to be showcasing, even this, the 2,000 images that are there, what is it? A lot of it is already vacuuming and it's showing things that are very amateurish. I mean, when you show up to a job, does it look really like this? Are you using these sort of very budget type pieces of equipment and amateur, sort of like the yellow rubber gloves and this little scrub brush, all this kind of thing? There is very little as I scroll down, and these are the most popular, don't forget, from the top down. There is very little that you could use for your carpet cleaning company to make any kind of compelling. Oh, here you go. Here is a wand. Here is a wand cleaning carpet. Okay, let's see, that's really quite unusable as well. Let's be honest. It's not even, you're not using booties, it moves very quickly, it's juddery, you can maybe get about a second out of that piece. And let's see, what would something like this, if we open that up, how much would something like this cost you for a single piece? $79 if you want it in HD, and that's at standard speed. If you want it in 4K, that one clip's gonna cost you $179. And that looks like that was shot on somebody's cell phone. Now this is typical for stock footage online, and so the carpet cleaning community just doesn't have much of a way of an option when it comes to using this, because that is still expensive. Yes, once you buy it, you can use it forever and it's royalty free to use how you want, but as you can tell, that's not really a sustainable model. So here's what I did. I got a model, I paid for a model, we got set up with professional grade lights, professional grade cameras. I do this for a living. I worked for Legend Brands for a number of years, producing all their marketing material and videos, and now I'm giving you guys access to the similar grade of footage that I use for them. So I made a stock footage pack so you could have this guy doing that sort of piece, or it's a similar piece to that on here. I don't know, let's take a look at something like this guy. This is one of the sample pieces I made that's in the pack. Very similar, that same direction of the wand, but here we go, nice, clean. It's that slow motion. You can always speed that up if you want to after to make it normal speed, but it's nice and clean. He's wearing booties, he's looking professional. This is a cut above what you'll find online. You can buy individual clips for just $25 on my site, or You can get the whole 18 pack for $99. Currently, I'm doing 20% off that price by using code IG20 or FB20 at checkout. So I hope you can see the value in that versus what's out there right now. The second stage of that is, how do you actually, once you have that footage, put it into something that's going to be a compelling marketing piece for your company? And also, is there going to be more footage coming that in future, in the next week, 2, 4 weeks, whatever it is, as you lay out your marketing schedule, there's going to be more new material for you to use? Well, the answer to that is yes. Hang tight. There's going to be more of this footage coming your way. And if you have questions about putting it together, please reach out to me. There's 18 clips in this pack, and some of them are up to 19 seconds long. So there's plenty of material there for you to draw out those 30-second, 15-second, 60-second social media advertisements that do really well on your page. Start doing that, add in your logo and your phone number, and you will start to see those calls come in. As always, I'm a resource here for you. I'm here to help the carpet cleaning community succeed. I'd love to be able to help you and your business do that in any way that I can. All right, we'll see you on the next time on how to get nitty gritty and create one of these ads using the kind of stock footage that you can get at my website. The link to purchase that is below. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.